All right, today we are going to go over metric conversions. So, one thing that I want to talk about specifically about this is for any conversions. This is the most important thing is that we have to know that if you're going from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, you have to multiply, which is the opposite of what you would normally do, right? Usually, if you're going from bigger to smaller, you're dividing. So remember, conversions are the opposite in this way. And going from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, you have to divide. And I'll show you why in a second. Another thing that you have to memorize in fourth grade is that 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, 1,000 grams equals a kilogram, and 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. Okay? So a meter, just to put this in perspective, so meters and centimeters are obviously length, grams and kilograms are mass or weight, I guess you could say, and milliliters and liters are volume of liquids, right? So the amount of liquid you have. So um, what we have here is let's just go. There's about 2.5 centimeters in an inch and 30 centimeters about in a foot, and a meter is about 3 feet. It's a little more than 3 feet, and it's a little more, so it's a little more than a yard. It's about a yard, but like I think it's about 3 inches more than a yard. A kilogram, okay, is about 2.2 pounds. So 40 kilograms is about 100 pounds. A gram is 1,000th of a kilogram. I think there's about 454 maybe grams in a pound. And basically, um, like what I think $1 bill is is 1 gram in weight. So that's a good way to think about it. Okay, like how much does a dollar bill weigh? Almost nothing, and that's how much a gram is. A liter, okay, is about 1/4 of a gallon. The typical, like a typical water bottle, like a disposable water bottle, is about half a liter. And so a typical water bottle is about 500 milliliters, and that which is half a liter. Um, and one of those big sodas, that you would buy at the grocery store, those are usually 2 liters. That's a 2 liter bottle of soda, which is about half a gallon. So um, that's grams, uh, centimeters, milliliters, liters, kilograms, meter. So you have to memorize these because it's extremely important um, for basically knowing how to do any of this. Because if you don't know the conversions, then you're not going to be able to do the math properly.